Do you want to add or remove a TP-Link router ID? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. How to add TP-Link ID. Open your web browser and go to http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in using your TP-Link ID and password. Navigate to Advanced, then TP-Link ID. Focus on the Bound Accounts section. Add another TP-Link ID. Click the plus button or an equivalent icon to add a new TP-Link ID. Enter the new TP-Link ID as required and click Bind. If you need a new TP-Link ID, register one via the TP-Link Tether app. You can refer to Manage the router via the TP-Link Tether app for instructions on installing the app and registering a new ID. Confirm the addition. The new TP-Link ID should appear in the Bound Accounts table as a user. Method 2. How to remove TP-Link ID. Open your web browser and go to http://tplinkwifi.net. Log in using your TP-Link ID and password. Navigate to Advanced, then access the TP-Link ID. Focus on the Bound Accounts section. Click Unbind next to the TP-Link ID you want to remove. Click Unbind and you are done. And there you have it, the way to add or remove a TP-Link router ID. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.